Ladies and gentlemen, gather around the digital campfire as we embark on an extraordinary journey through the surreal and ever-evolving landscape of artificial intelligence. Imagine a realm where algorithms not only calculate, but reason and plan, where chatbots disappear in a puff of code, and every new development feels like a plot twist from your favorite sci-fi thriller. Indeed, the world of AI is getting stranger and more thrilling by the day. Recent events have taken us on a wild ride, and just when we thought we had seen it all, things got even weirder. This is NextGen AI Visions, where the future of humanity and technology meet. We are here to guide you through the wonders and weirdness of artificial intelligence. Picture this. You're testing out what seems to be an ordinary GPT-2 chatbot, but something feels off. It's like opening a mystery box and finding a treasure chest inside. Before the chatbot vanished into thin air, those lucky enough to interact with it discovered it was no ordinary bot. This little enigma hinted at something big brewing at OpenAI. Then, like breadcrumbs in a fairy tale, a Politico article drops hints, teasing the arrival of the imminent OpenAI model. It's like waiting for the latest superhero blockbuster, but instead of capes, we're talking about algorithms that can reason and plan. The anticipation builds as we decode these clues, eagerly waiting for the next big reveal. Straight from the AI Safety Summit in Bletchley, UK, we got a plot twist worthy of a thriller. AI companies promised the UK government they would let them safety test models before release. But guess who's playing the rebel? OpenAI. Unlike Google DeepMind, they're keeping their cards close to their chest, adding a thick layer of mystery to the story. It's like watching a high-stakes poker game with billions of dollars in the pot. And OpenAI is the enigmatic player everyone's trying to read. The suspense is palpable, as we wonder what groundbreaking innovations and potential risks are hidden up their sleeves, making the AI landscape as thrilling as ever. So folks, what do you think will be the newly released OpenAI model? Will it be GPT 4.5 or GPT 5? Comment down below. Whispers from the shadows of OpenAI and government corridors suggest a new model is about to drop, likely GPT 4.5. It's not called GPT 5 yet, but don't let that fool you. This model is said to be a game changer. The rumor mill is buzzing, and the suspense is palpable. Will this new model revolutionize the AI landscape? In a private chat, Sam Altman, the mastermind behind OpenAI, hinted at the upcoming release. His confidence was as solid as a rock, and an event at Stanford confirmed he's been using an unreleased model. Altman is all about slow and steady wins the race. Rather than dropping a bombshell, he prefers a series of firecrackers. This way, each new model is a step up from the last, keeping us on our toes and always wanting more. Adding to the intrigue, a former OpenAI wizard, now casting spells at Google, spill the beans on transparency. It seems every tech giant has its own playbook when it comes to AI secrets. The intrigue thickens. Altman didn't hold back, calling GPT-4 just a warm-up act. The main event? GPT 4.5, which promises to be a mastermind of reasoning and planning. Get ready for the big leagues, folks! Altman's strategy is one of methodical progression, ensuring that each new iteration builds on the strengths of its predecessors, while introducing groundbreaking enhancements. This approach not only maintains user engagement, but also allows for careful fine-tuning and improvement. With GPT 4.5 on the horizon, the AI community is bracing for a model that could redefine what's possible in artificial intelligence, pushing the boundaries of reasoning and planning capabilities. As the countdown to the release begins, the tech world is on the edge of its seat. Will GPT 4.5 live up to the hype and set new standards in the AI industry? One thing is certain, the future of AI is unfolding before our eyes, and it promises to be an exhilarating journey. In the race to the top, Google, Meta, Microsoft, they're all pouring in resources like there's no tomorrow. The secret weapon? Superior datasets. As AI grows more powerful, it's guzzling energy like a monster, and data centers are feeling the heat. This relentless demand for computational power could slow down the AI train, pushing the limits of current infrastructure and raising concerns about sustainability. Yet, these tech giants are undeterred. They are constantly seeking innovative ways to optimize and cool data centers, ensuring that their AI ambitions stay on track. With every new breakthrough, the stakes get higher and the race becomes fiercer. It's a high-stakes game where the quality and breadth of data make all the difference, driving the next generation of AI forward. As these companies continue to invest in cutting-edge technologies and expansive datasets, the AI landscape promises to be both thrilling and transformative, shaping the future in unprecedented ways. Remember the GPT-2 Chatbot? Testing showed it might be on par with GPT-4 Turbo. If that's a sneak peek of GPT 4.5, we are in for a wild ride. Forget fancy algorithms. It is all about the data quality. OpenAI knows this well, focusing on top-notch datasets to ensure their models blow our minds. With each iteration, the emphasis on high-quality data means more accurate, nuanced, and insightful responses, making the user experience richer and more engaging. As the AI landscape evolves, the importance of superior datasets can't be overstated. They are the fuel driving this extraordinary journey into the future. Adding to the excitement, Scale AI threw a wrench into the works with a new benchmark study. They found that models perform differently on fresh questions, highlighting the need for rigorous testing. It's like discovering your star athlete is only winning because they've been practicing with the answer key. Now, let us talk about performance. Because numbers don't lie, right? Imagine GPT-2 as your trusty old flip phone, reliable for calls and texts, but not much else. Enter GPT-4 Turbo, the latest smartphone of AI, capable of ordering pizza with just a thought. It's like upgrading from a bicycle to a rocket ship. Sure, both get you places, but one does it with style and efficiency. Behind the scenes, data quality plays the unsung hero, whispering tales of brute-forcing capabilities that would make any AI green with envy. Your phone's fast? Try beating an AI at Candy Crush while it's busy writing a thesis on quantum physics. It is like trying to tame a unicorn. Magical, unpredictable, and sometimes throwing emojis into the mix. Scale AI reveals contamination issues that could rival a soap opera plot twist. These models often overperform in controlled environments, like an over-caffeinated marathon runner. Impressive under certain conditions, but can they navigate real-world complexities? Are these AI giants flexing their muscles or just showing off? But here's the scoop. GPT 4.5 is what everyone's really buzzing about. It's like having a super smart sidekick by your side, ready to dive into any topic you throw at it. Need to crack a tough problem at work? GPT 4.5 is on it. Curious about the latest trends or the meaning of life? It's got your back. Imagine asking, "Why is the sky blue?" and getting not just an answer, but an engaging, in-depth explanation faster than you can say rainbow. Whether you're navigating the complexities of quantum physics or just looking for a new recipe for dinner, GPT 4.5 is there, turning questions into enlightening conversations. It's not just a tool, it's your trusty companion in the journey of curiosity and discovery. And speaking of flexing, let us welcome Med Gemini from Google, making doctors rethink their stethoscopes with diagnostic skills that would make House MD raise an eyebrow. This cutting-edge AI isn't just impressive, it's revolutionizing healthcare. Leveraging the power of reinforcement learning and fine-tuning, Med Gemini takes center stage, showcasing how AI can diagnose with precision and accuracy that rivals even the most seasoned medical professionals. When it comes to untangling medical mysteries, this AI might just be the new scalpel in the doctor's toolkit, redefining what's possible in modern medicine. Well, that's it for today's journey through the thrilling world of AI. From mysterious chatbots to political bombshells, insider leaks, and the promising future of OpenAI's models, the AI landscape is evolving at breakneck speed, and we are just scratching the surface of what's possible. As we await the next big reveal, one thing is certain: the future of AI is bright, bold, and brimming with potential. So, stay curious, stay excited, and stay tuned. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for the latest trends and updates in the world of AI. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.